Hello friends, Namaste and welcome to my channel. It's been a long time that I was not able to upload any kinds of videos in my channel because of pandemic. So I apologize for that. So friends, now I have made a decision that I will be uploading videos regularly in my channel onwards. So today I'm here to tell you that I will be uploading 3 kinds of videos from now. I will upload unboxing and technical stuffs like before in the same way. I'm planning to make more informative videos targeting newcomers in Melbourne, Australia that will help them in the beginning, and not only to the newcomers, it will help the people who are already here. I will also upload some interesting videos about some places and other facts. So this will be the categories of my videos. From now I will be uploading these kinds of videos. So I think it's good to let you know guys about my channel. The condition is worse this year. People are facing many problems and difficulties. Let's hope this pandemic will end very soon and our life will be back to normal. So friends, I don't want to make this video too long. At the end, I just want to tell you that stay home, stay safe. See you in next video.